This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Town Realty property video is presented by Monique Boyce. This beautiful new construction is a 5-bedroom, 2.5-bath home west/a first-floor bedroom. The home features an open kitchen to living room floor plan, kitchen island, granite countertops, stainless steel fixtures and appliances, a spacious deck, fenced backyard, and attached garage. There's beautiful LVP flooring throughout the first floor, tiled bathrooms, and carpeted steps and bedrooms. Primary bedroom includes double sink vanity, tiled shower and tub, and great closet space. The home is conveniently located near shopping, dining, and entertainment opportunities in Olde Towne Portsmouth, rivers, casino, tunnels, and interstates. See this one quickly. For more information, review the details below or contact Monique Boyce at 757-549-2000.